Hi, I'm Alexander, this is Renee of Paris, and I've got this amazing style here from the Amore Collection. So this is the Medium Wavy TP Mono, and that's a fantastic name, isn't it? Because it's exactly what it is. TP stands for a top piece, so a topper. And a mono means that it's kind of got a lot of growth here where the hair's coming out of, so a very natural piece. But let's look at her. What's great about this? Well, we have long bangs that frame the face. We've got an amazing, amazing curl pattern in here, which I just love. Look at that. Amazing. Really, really cool. Now that can be like brushed into natural hair, and also it can be jazzed up, or you could curl the natural hair into that. So very, very cool, lovely topper. If you look at this continuation of the texture running through, a very, very wearable piece. And what I always like to look for in a topper is how flat it can sit. And this is sitting really flat, so that's gonna make it really natural. This is the Medium Wavy TP Mono. This has a lace front, a mono top, and 5 popping clips for security.